Thank you very much for giving me the chance to do this interview today. My name is Petra Kuhlmann. I'm the Global Portfolio Director for Plastics and Rubber with Messe Düsseldorf. We are involved in more than 10 plastics and rubber shows all over the world, and I'm very pleased to meet you here at Interplastica in Moscow this January. Interplastica is the leading platform for the plastics and rubber industry here in Russia and the neighboring countries, Eastern European region. Interplastica is the platform that offers a whole range of exhibit when it comes to machinery and equipment, to raw materials and auxiliaries, to parts and components, peripheral equipment, and of course raw materials and auxiliaries for the plastics and rubber industries. This year we have in Hall 1 new feature that is called Raw Materials Plaza or Polymer Plaza, where experts from the industry introduce and discuss about latest innovations in the raw material development, and of course when it comes to the development not only of raw materials and auxiliaries but also comes to applications. And this is something I would recommend everybody interested in this part of the show to visit and enter into discussions with experts there. We see a very high potential in the market and a major need for investment, for future investment in technology, and a high interest from the Russian markets, from the Russian industrialists for raw materials and new developments on this side, but also on production and process technologies. So we see a very bright future, even though at the moment, of course, everybody knows the market is weakened. But of course, as the market is down at the moment, we need to keep in continuous touch with the market, from the supply side, with the demand side here in Russia, and therefore a platform like Interplastica is the ideal way to be in touch and to keep and expand business contacts, but also to establish new ones when the new investment is being placed, which we all hope will be quite soon. We do everything in order to keep Interplastica's position here in the market and to keep it as the key platform for the plastics and rubber industry for the Russian and CIS market. And we make sure, together with our subsidiary Messe Düsseldorf Moscow, that we hold this platform annually here in Moscow in order to everybody who is involved in the industry here in Russia to keep in touch with suppliers and to establish and maintain business contacts on an annual basis. We all look forward, I think, to the highlight, the world's leading platform for the plastics and rubber industry for K in October in Düsseldorf. This is the major platform for the entire industry worldwide. We are in preparations are in full gear. The team is very keen and eager to develop K further into the platform for innovations and for the latest products and technologies in the plastics and rubber industry, and we look forward to meeting everybody who's here again at K in Düsseldorf in October. And of course, as we are involved in several shows around the globe, one new project I would like to mention as well, because we are the first-time partner for the National Petroleum Company hosting the Iran Plast in April in Tehran. As you know, Iran has opened up, and it's a very promising market for everybody, especially also for those involved in the plastic and rubber industry. And we are very happy that we have the chance to offer our clients the very adequate platform in this promising market as well. But of course, the team is in high spirits, and we all look forward to K in October in Düsseldorf, and hope to see you again there.